friends, this is Tibarchana Rao, lecturer in computer science. We have been discussing about the topic string processing. Our today's topic is string sorting operations. So we have already discussed about how to store a string in memory. Today we will discuss how to sort a string. So there are basically 4 string sorting operations. First, substring. Second, indexing of a string. Third, concatenation of a string. Fourth, length or size of a string. So let's start with substring. What is substring? That is, we can define substring as a given part, or we can also define substring as a contiguous part or symbol or the characters of the string. It can be defined as the contiguous sequence of characters or symbols possible in a string. Accessing the substring from a given string basically requires 3 pieces of information. First, the name of the string, or we can say the entire string or the string itself. The position of the starting of the string, that is the initial part of the string, or the position of the last characters of the string, or we can say the terminal or end part of the string. So here we are able to see one example. For example, we have taken one string named as W, which has characters A, B, 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 C, D, A. So this is some contiguous character type data stored in your string W. So how we are going to find a substring in this string, in this given string. So the only idea of getting a substring is to find any contiguous sequence of characters or symbols. Either it can be from the starting of the string, or it can be from the end of the string, or it can be from the middle of the string. That does not matter. But the thing that matters is it should be a contiguous symbol. So let's see some examples. Here from the given string W, we will find that ABB. So here we can see that ABB we find as the initial part of the string. ABB. So at the initial part of the string we are finding ABB. So ABB is the substring, is a substring. Next example is CDA is a substring or not. So we find CDA at the end of the string. So yes, CDA is also a substring. Next is ABCD a substring. So here we have AB, here we have CD. But the thing is that AB and CD are not a contiguous sequence. That is why ABCD is not a substring. Lastly, we have BBC. Either it is a substring or not. We have BBC. It is neither at the initial part of the string nor at the terminal part of the string, but it is found at the middle part of the string, which is a contiguous sequence. So yes, BBC is a substring too. So this was your concept of substring. Let's move forward to the concept of indexing. So indexing, we already know that we see index page at the starting of any book. So what does it say? It says that what are the contents we are going to see or what are the contents that are available throughout the book. So we can relate the same thing here. What is indexing? Indexing is nothing but it is to check that any given pattern, we can say any given pattern P, either it is available or either it appears in a given string. Okay, so this indexing is also known as pattern matching. It basically refers to finding out the position where a string pattern P or some pattern P appears in a given string of text T or not. For this, we use a function that is known as index, that is written as index, in brackets there is the text given, there is a pattern given. We have to see that the given pattern is available in the text or not. The pattern is shown in the text or not, and if it is shown, at what position we are going to find the pattern in the text. This is the whole concept of indexing. So if the pattern P does not appear in the text, then the index is assigned value 0. For example, the pattern, we cannot find the pattern in the whole text. So the index will be assigned as value 0. If we find the pattern in the text or the pattern seems to be appearing in the text T, then it will assign the index value as the position of the pattern. So we can understand it more clearly by explaining an example. For example, there is a text, or we can say there is a string which consists of a line, that is, the text is, his father is the professor. This is the whole string we have, that is in text form. We have to find some patterns are available here or not. So by applying index function, it is given index, the text T, that is his father is the professor, and the pattern is the. So we have to find that this pattern is available in this text or not. If it is available, then it will give the index value, or it will assign the index value the position of the pattern, that is where we are finding the pattern the first time in the text. But if we are not finding the pattern in the text, then we will be assigned the index value 0. So here the pattern is the and the text is T. We can easily see the appearing in the text. So after counting, you can find that it is in the 15th position of the text. So as the pattern appears in the text, so it will be assigned the index value as the position of the pattern, that is 15. The next example says the function name index, the text, and the pattern is then. We have to find that this then appears or seems to be appearing in the given text or not. We can easily see it is not appearing in the text, or it is not present in the text. So as the rule says, if the pattern does not appear in the text, then the index is assigned the value 0. So we can see the index is assigned the value 0. So this was two operations of string processing. In our next slides, we will see more operations on string.